Discover BD Asset Hub, your trusted platform for secure and transparent asset tokenization. BD Asset Hub offers a marketplace to explore real-world tokenized assets on a global scale. Start by creating your personal or company account with quick and secure verification. Navigate through a wide range of tokenized assets and review detailed information to make informed decisions. Choose your desired asset offering. Carefully review the offering details and confirm your commitment to proceed with your investment. Select your preferred asset and invest using multiple payment options, including fiat and stable coins. Carefully review the investment agreement. E-sign it and finalize your investment with ease. Once the tokens are minted and approved by the investment manager, investors can view the updated status under the orders menu. Take your investments to the next level. BD Asset Hub, where your investments grow with confidence.